In this video, we will solve the differential equation dy dx plus y tan x is equal to secant x. Note that this is a linear differential equation of first order. And the general form of such equation is dy dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. See that here p of x is equal to tan x and q of x is equal to secant x. Now the integrating factor of equation 1 is given by e power integration of px dx, which is equal to e to the power integral of tan x dx. We know that the integration of tan x is ln of sec x. Therefore the integrating factor of 1 is secant x. Therefore solution of 1 is given by y times integrating factor, which is secant x, is equal to integration of secant x times the function qx, which is again secant x, plus integration constant c. From here we obtain that y sec x is equal to integration of secant square x, which is tan x, plus integration constant c. And this is the solution of the given differential equation, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.